Where does the name for Waen come from? So today I'm in Waen in Denbighshire. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. Waen is the soft mutation of Gwaen, which means moorland, which is kind of like wet, higher ground that's quite level. Now, why is it Waen and not Gwaen? Well, that's because originally it would have had the word before it, which means the. So the moorland. But over time the was dropped because it's obvious through context. Now, Waen is probably most famous for two things, Pont Dafydd and a poltergeist. In 1812, Roberts was haunted supposedly by a poltergeist who threw rocks at his house. And this, Pont Dafydd, which is just north of Waen. Pont means bridge, and Dafydd is a person's name. It's the Welsh form of the biblical name David. And it was built in 1630 by the Bishop Dafydd. But since the Clwyd was diverted, it's been basically left standing alone in a field. So the name literally means the moorland, the high and wet level ground. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.